So this is how you make an amazing vegetarian or vegan sandwich. First, take a nice big slice of whole wheat bread, put a little bit of mustard on the bread, then you cut off a little bit of this purple cabbage, put it in there, a slice of tomato, a slice of red pepper. Red peppers and the purple cabbage have more antioxidants than their other green varieties. Like the purple cabbage has a lot of good healthy nutrients in it. Same thing with the red pepper, is healthier than the green pepper. So do that for nutrient's sake, and it has a nice color to it, and it tastes good. So you do a little thin slice of the purple cabbage. I'll show you there. Little thin slices of purple cabbage, little slices of tomato, red pepper, mustard, and you get a little bit of avocado. Slice the avocado, put that on top, and then I'll show you the last ingredient here. Then I really like to use Brianna's poppy seed dressing, which it does have oil in it, so it's not super healthy, but it is vegan. There's no dairy products in it. It's canola oil and sugar and water. Yeah, so it's not super healthy. It has a little bit of sodium in it, but it tastes really good. So put a little bit of that Brianna's on top of the veggies here, and that makes a really delicious tasting sandwich. So put a little bit of Brianna's on top of the veggies that you put on your sandwich. I already started off with a little bit of mustard on the bread, and then a little bit of Brianna's poppy seed dressing on the veggies here. Poppy seed dressing on top just kind of completes the sandwich, and I'm going to slice up a little bit of avocado to add to the sandwich as well. So now I've got my avocado and my veggies and some poppy seed dressing. You can add a little bit of Mrs. Dash salt-free, spices if you want to add a little bit more spice to it. Put a little bit of that on the avocado if you feel like it being spicy. Add a little bit of that. And then we'll just put the sandwich together and give it a try. These taste delicious and they're really healthy. I actually started eating vegetarian sandwiches before I learned about nutritionfacts.org and whole food plant-based diet. I really like the taste of a vegetarian sandwich. Is actually really good tasting. You don't really need meat in a sandwich for it to taste good, or cheese either. You can have an amazing dairy-free or meat-free sandwich that tastes really good and is really nutritious and is really filling and fills you up. So there it is. My healthy vegan or vegetarian sandwich with whole wheat bread, mustard, purple cabbage, tomato, red pepper, red bell pepper, and some avocado. It's really good. Yep, it's delicious. You can also make some sprouts. You can get some broccoli seeds and make broccoli sprouts to put on there, and I've tried it with that, and it's really delicious as well. You also maybe cut up some mushrooms or saute mushrooms to put on there is another good ingredient. I've enjoyed having mushrooms on the sandwiches. So lots of options. You can mix and match the kind of veggies you like. I try to avoid mayonnaise. There's vegetarian or vegan mayonnaises out there, but I like the poppy seed dressing better, and the mustard is a little bit healthier. If you want to learn more about a whole food plant-based diet, go to nutritionfacts.org. And Dr. Michael Greger has some amazing series of videos about healthy diet. You watch some of his videos on YouTube or on his website called nutritionfacts.org. There's a lot of good information, and he goes over a lot of the science about why it's good to eat a whole food plant-based diet.